The year is 1867. Japan stood at crossroads, an isolated shogunate confronted by Western power and a new imperial vision. You've never heard the story told like this before. Commodore Perry's black ships forced open the ports, and the base turned to action as reformers like Kido and Toshimichi convinced Emperor Meiji to restore imperial rule. Civil war followed in 1868 as imperial forces clashed with Tokugawa loyalists in the Boshin War. The new government adopted Western armies, industry, and institutions, railways, telegraphs, conscription, and modern education. Resistance simmered, and figures like Saigo reluctantly opposed some changes, but the result was seismic. The Meiji state centralized power and launched Japan into rapid industrialization across the 1870s and beyond. This is a true story of the Meiji Restoration and Japan's